All right, parents of teen drivers, today we're going to be talking about sun glare. Okay, so that is like, a big issue whenever teens are behind the wheel, and pretty much anybody is behind the wheel. So we have 7 tips in order to, if you teach your teen these things and warn them about these things, then they are going to be a lot better off when they're driving when the sun is really bright. In my practice, I've actually had cases and clients where a teen was driving down the road. They were coming home after practice from school, and they actually hit a biker that was on the side of the road. Biker was completely legal, and the teen hit them because they did not see them because of the glare of the sun coming at an angle. And it was in the evening as the sun was coming down, and it was coming just straight across, and the teen couldn't see the biker who was on the road. So you want to make sure that your teen, number one, is driving defensively. That means leave extra room, be extra cautious, drive the speed limit, maybe even less than the speed limit, because you never know what's going to come up, and if your vision is impaired, then your teen is going to have lots of issues if they need to react quickly. The next thing, this is something that we kind of talk badly about in the evening or nighttime, but tint on the windows can help with sun and sun glare and prevent, blindness and various things like that. So you want to make sure, if tint is a thing that you're interested in or your teen is interested in, it can definitely help them at those times of the day when the glare is bad. Another way to help teens is to teach them to look at the lines on the road. So instead of necessarily staring right into the sun, they can actually look at the car in front of them and then stare at the white line and kind of go back and forth like that, so that they're not being blinded by the and you can do that at night sometimes too if somebody has their bright lights on. And another one is the headlights. The headlights here will actually help your teen. So the daytime running lights that your teen has on, they will actually help if the sun is really bad for someone else and they don't see your teen's car coming at them. The reason why we have these daytime running lights is so that if glare creates crazy shadows and different things like that, that your teen will actually be protected during the day when the sun is bad. You really want to teach your teen about 3 other things. You want to make sure that they know how to use the sun visor, because if that sun visor is hidden in the right spot, it can block out the sun completely, but it leaves the vision for the road for the teen to be able to make the moves that they need to make. You use sun visor all the time, and I think it's a very important thing when the glare is bad. Next, you want to make sure that you invest in good, nice polarized sunglasses, because those, regular sunglasses are good because they're like tint over your eyes, right? But polarized ones do different things with the sun, and to me, it's night and day difference between. My wife doesn't care if they're polarized or not. I have to have polarized sunglasses, and especially with glare coming off the water and other things, polarized really helps in different parts of other glass and other paint jobs and things like that. The sunglasses are very important. And then finally, it's just smart, to know what time of day that your teen is getting out on the road. Early in the morning, I know when I'm driving to work, the sun is really bad, and I'm looking down, trying not to see, and I know that there aren't a whole lot of people on the road at that time. And then also in the evening, when you're coming home and you're doing whatever, you want to make sure that that you know the times of day that your teens are out on the road, and just don't have them out there. It's just the same kind of deal with late at night. You want to make sure that your teen's not on the road late at night, because fatalities, tired driving, drinking and driving, those kind of things are just more present. So it's just being smart, planning ahead, and knowing that the potential dangers are out there and they increase the risk, and so we can keep our teens safe at home. So this is another edition of Parents of Teen Drivers Facebook group. I'm Seth Smiley of the Smiley Law Firm, and if anybody has any questions or they have any experience with driving in the sun or bad glare or whatever, please leave a comment down below, or you can reach out and direct message me, and I'll be happy to respond to you in any way that I can. All right, have a nice day. Thank you.